Good morning, my dear children. I hope that everyone well by God's blessings. Okay? Okay. Today we will discuss about MCQ parts of lines and angles. Is that clear? MCQ parts of lines and angles. Okay? So our first question: intersecting lines cut each other at how many number of points? 1 point, 2 points, 3 points and null. Intersecting lines cut each other at. Intersecting lines means what? Now suppose two lines or more than lines. Two or more than lines. Is that clear? Two or more than lines intersect at a point. Is that clear? So intersecting lines cut each other at how many number of points? Our answer is what? Definitely 1 point. Is that clear? Everyone okay? Now who can say that? Second bit, two parallel lines intersect at. Two parallel lines intersect at. Parallel lines definition. Definition of parallel lines. Who can say? Please raise your hand. Stand and tell.
The lines which never intersect each other.
Very good. If two lines never intersect each other, that is called a parallel lines. Suppose here there are two lines. Okay? And these two lines if never intersect to each other, so that is called what? Parallel lines. Okay? That is called parallel lines. Is that clear? And we know that both parallel lines never intersect to each other, but our question what? Two parallel lines intersect at what? Intersect at 1 point, 2 point, 3 point, null. So our answer is what? Null. Due to why? That two lines never intersect to each other. Is that clear? Next bit, sit down. Bit number 3. Carefully look at board everyone. If AB and CD, if AB parallel to CD, EF perpendicular CD and angle GED 135 degree as per the figure given below. AB parallel to CD. Look at figure everyone. AB parallel to CD. These two lines are parallel each other. And EF perpendicular to CD. EF perpendicular to CD. Listen everyone, EF perpendicular to CD. Perpendicular means what? Now this line segment EF, okay? Perpendicular to CD means FED angle is 90 degree. Also FEC angle is 90 degree. Understood? And also given that the GED angle 135. GED angle. Which angle? GED. This angle is 135 degree. Okay? As per the figure given below, the value of angle AGE what? The value of angle AGE, this angle equal to what? Who can say? Who can say? The value of AGE angle. Please raise your hand. Who can say? Please raise your hand. Stand and tell, quick. 135 degree. How? Sit down. Given that AB parallel to CD, AB parallel to CD, and this is transversal line. Okay, look at this figure. AB parallel to CD and GE transversal line. Is that clear? If this angle equal to 135 degree, equal to this also 135 degree. Due to why? Alternative interior angle property. Alternative interior angle. Due to know that if two lines are parallel and another line is a transversal line, is that clear? Then alternative interior angle or corresponding angles or vertically opposite angles are equal. Is that clear? So that this 135 degree, so it also 135 degree. Okay, due to why? Alternative interior angle properties. Understood everyone? Clear everyone? Achha. Next. Number 4. If two lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles are what? Very simple question. Tell equal. If two lines intersect each other, then the vertical opposite angles are equal. Very simple question. Yes or no? So our answer what? Option number A, equal. Next question. Two angles whose sum is equal to 180 degree are called what? Are called? Two angles whose sum is equal to 180 degree. Very good. Supplementary angles. Is that clear? If two angles ABC and DEF okay, and sum of these two angles if 180 degree, so that is called what? Supplementary angles. Suppose, change the question, if two angles whose sum is 90 degree are called what? Complementary angles. Are called complementary angles. Now changes, if two angles, is that clear? If two angles whose sum is equal to 180 degree and both angles adjacent angles, so that angle is called what? Both angle adjacent and whose sum must be 180 degree. Both angle adjacent angles. Okay? Is that clear? Both adjacent and sum is 180 degree also. That is called linear pair angle. Very good. That is called what? Linear pair angles. Understood now? Okay. Next, bit number 6. Very simple question. Who can solve this question? Come to board, please. Come to board. Please explain it.
Sir, x plus 60 is equal to 100 degree. X is equal to 100 minus 60 is equal to 40 degree.
Very good. Okay, takes it. Very good. Thank you. We know that x plus 60 equal to 100 degree due to extra angle sum properties. Okay, extra angle sum properties. Is that clear? If x plus 60 equal to 100 degree, then x is equal to what? 100 minus 60 straight. So x is equal to what? 40 degree. Is that clear? Thank you. Next question. Very simple question also. If two complementary angles are in the ratio 13:5, okay, then the angles are what? Two complementary angles. Who can say what is the definition of complementary angles? Sum of two angles 90 degree, that is called complementary angles. But ratio of the two angles given 13:5. What? 13:5. Is that clear? So that first angle is what? Let us first angle is 13x, second angle is 5x. Sum of these two angles equal to what? 90 degree. Okay, so 13x plus 5x, 18x. So that 18x is equal to 90 degree. Hence x is equal to what? 90 by 80 क्या हुआ? Again 5 degree. Due to 18 into 5 we get 90. Is that clear? So x is equal to 5 degree. But our question, find the angles are what? Find the angles. Angles are what? One is 13x, another is 5x. So 13 into 5 and 5 into 5. 13 into 5, 65 degree. 5 into 5, 25 degree. Is that clear? So our answer 65 degree and 25 degree. Option number C.